present continuous.
Or present simple.
Now. Every day. Routines, habits, facts.
She's eating an orange now. She loves oranges.
Right now, around this time. Every day, always, usually, sometimes, never, often.
He goes to school every day. He is riding a skateboard now. He goes to bed at 9 every evening. She is sleeping now. She sings very well. She is singing a song now. He usually eats toast for breakfast. She is eating toast with jam now. The movie starts at 7. They are watching a movie now.
My school bus arrives at 8 a.m. Look! The cat is climbing the tree. The baby is sleeping now. My mum works at a hospital. Dad cooks dinner for us every evening. She is wearing a red dress today.
Every day the sun shines bright, the birds sing from morning to night. I like pizza, I love to play. We go to school every weekday. Clap your hands if it's a fact or habit. Use present simple, don't forget. For habits, facts, and the sun that sets. If it's always true or happens each day, present simple is the way. Look at me, I am dancing now. The dog is barking, oh, oh, wow, wow, wow. She is wearing a funny hat. We are running just like that. Use present continuous, here's the clue. For things right now or just a few. If it's happening at this very time, use am, is, or are, it'll rhyme. Every Monday I play football, but right now I am kicking the ball. The train leaves at 6, don't be late. Oh no, it is coming, run to the gate. Present simple is for habits, it's true. Present continuous is happening now for you. Now you know, it's easy to see. Sing along and learn with me.